Hey guys, what is going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Today's video, we're gonna go over these two C clamps. I got a 1930s Brownie and I got a vintage Armstrong 403. I say without any further ado, we get right into it. Let's go, guys. Well, that didn't clean up too bad, but we're going to make it a lot better. We're going to throw this in the Evaporust and let it sit in there a while, and we'll do it all over again. The Brownie came out a lot better. So I want to take the casting mark off the back of this real quick with the 1x30, and then we'll start wire wheeling it, cleaning this up. So. So let's do the bluing first. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. Alright, so I'm just spraying this with a Watco lacquer. Alrighty guys, well we're all done with the two C clamps. I'm quite happy with them. They came out pretty good. I do like the traditional industrial metal look. This is just basically wire wheeled, cleaned up all the rust off it, and clear coated. Versus the cold bluing. The cold bluing doesn't look bad, but I do like this look a little bit better. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Thanks. Bye.